Propeller shaft center bearing flange nut getting loose. In longer vehicles there are more than one propeller shaft. In such cases it becomes necessary to provide a spherical center bearing to support the propeller shaft. This center bearing is fixed to the chassis with a bracket. In one of our model of new buses, all of a sudden we started getting complaints of center bearing flange nut badly loose. When flange nut was getting badly loose, dust cover used to start rotating and giving noise. Initially we thought that flange nut might not have been tightened properly. Hence we started getting these flange nut tightened with a recommended torque of 450 pound-feet. Buses were kept under observations. It was found that on some of those buses also flange nuts were found to be badly loose after few days. Tightening propeller shaft flange nuts every day on number of buses caused tremendous increase in workload. However, we were not getting any solution to the problem. We had no option but to bear with this increase in workload. Root cause: during investigation it was noticed that on the stub shaft where center bearing fits, there is a very small step in diameter as shown in Figure 1. This step was hardly of 1 millimeter. It was found that center bearing sits exactly at this step. In case center bearing gets tightened against this step, as shown in Figure 2, then it is natural that this will get worn out in just short time, losing all its tightening load, and flange nut will become loose. Point to always remember, even small tightening torque converted into axial thrust is in tons. In case if bearing gets tightened against distance piece, in those cases flange nut was not getting loose. Since this was boundary line case, both variants were found. Always keep in mind, tightening load acting against small area is root cause of any threaded fastener getting loose. It was then found that manufacturer had taken this cut on the stub shaft as they had switched over to metric system in place of British system for bearings. Remedy: therefore the width of the distance piece, 1, was increased by 2 mm, thereby avoiding any possibility of tightening against 1 mm collar as shown in Figure 3. Now in this case tightening is against the end face of the distance piece, this being larger area. There is no faster wear of this portion. With this modification, problem of flange nut getting loose was completely eliminated. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the channel PS Auto Solutions to learn many secrets of automobile with Praveen Shinde. Thank you.